Hi everyone, Coach Christina, Trim Healthy Mama Coach Christina here from Healthy Blessed Family. I wanted to come to you live, show you what I did today for prep. My produce boxes were running really behind. I didn't get them until 2 hours late, so I didn't do a Fred Meyer order. I actually went to Winco and bought the rest of my groceries. And so I just wanted to come to you and show you what I did for meal prep, because this week my daughter is going back to school. So she's been homeschooled for the last 3 years, and she's going back to the local Catholic parish school that we belong to, and that starts on Tuesday. So I saw this idea, I think it was on Pinterest somewhere, about creating little bins in the refrigerator and outside the refrigerator to make lunches super quick, super easy. That way she can pick something from each category and fill her lunchbox the night before. So I have a vegetable bin. We got a lot of carrots in and we got some broccoli in, so that's in this bin. And it's great for the whole family because they can just go in the fridge and grab a healthy snack. I have a fruit bin. We got plums in and peaches in and apples and cherries. So all of that is in here. I have a dairy bin, which it looks like I'm going to have to pull some more yogurt out to put in here and more cheeses. But it's got the Go-Gurt in here. It's got the mozzarella cheese sticks, and it's got some unsweetened applesauce. So easy for her to just pack for snacks and lunch. And then her request was the Uncrustables. They're not on plan, but it's okay. It saves me time. It makes her happy. But sometimes I may make different protein sandwiches to put in here, of like a pizza one, or different kinds of sandwiches. And so this is the protein box. We also have a chips bin, and those are not on plan, but they're over there for the kids. And then we have a healthy snack option. My kids love the seaweed, which I get at Costco. And I was super excited to find these nuts. There was a box of them, and there were peanuts and cashews and almonds. So in here I put some peanuts and almonds in her little thing for her. But I also got some granolas, like mini granolas. And I'm not sure if they're completely on plan, but I figured they were good for my kids. So I got them those. And then I prepped 4 salads in a jar for myself. I still got to do the lettuce and put it in the paper towel roll thing, which won't take me very long to do. I do a gallon size Ziploc bag, and I line it with paper towel and then put my lettuce in there, and it stays good for weeks. I also prepped Taco Tuesday in a skillet. This recipe is from Coach Jennifer Overstreet. I love her recipes. They're super quick and simple. And so I will link to these in the description when I'm done, or in the comments below. That's one of our dinners. Another dinner is the Italian sausage, peppers, and onions. It's a crock pot meal. I don't have a crock pot, so it's going in the Instapot. Another meal this week is Cabb N Saus, which is one of my kids' favorites. They request it all the time. And I'm also doing Italian hamburger helper, which is a fuel pull from Jennifer Overstreet. Now these, I make these completely on plan. My husband loves these. All they are, I call them our P3 snacks. And they're salami and a 1/4 cup of nuts and a cheese stick. So it's a real healthy snack. And he takes 2 of these with him every day. But there's 8 in here. And I think that's about it. I prepped a lot of produce that came in. I prepped celery. So I picked up some spinach, artichoke, dip that can make it an S for me with some celery for a good snack. And then I picked up more snap peas, and yesterday at Costco I picked up quite a bit of the mini bell peppers. I love the mini bell peppers and the sugar snap peas. They make it really easy for me to just grab and go, so I don't really have to prep those. And then also I prepped strawberries, because strawberries came in, and then I had one little pint of blueberries that went in the freezer because I love frozen blueberries. I think that's about it. I did buy some sprouted bread for my husband. So I hope you have a great day, and I have a great weekend. Let me know what you're prepping in your kitchen today in the comments below, and be sure to like and share this video so other people can see it, or send stars. And I will talk to you later.